Welcome to another video. We have a past GCSE question here that we are required to work out the values of A, B, and C. So the question reads, 12x cubed plus 7x squared plus 3x minus 10 is identical to 2, bracket open, AX cubed plus S squared plus 2x minus 5, bracket closes, plus x, bracket open, BX plus C, and bracket closes. So let's go ahead now to find these values now. These three lines means that the terms on the left hand side are identical to the terms on the right hand side. All right. Okay, first I'm going to write down the question. Okay. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to leave the left hand side the way it is at the moment while we concentrate on the terms on the right hand side. Okay, so we're going to simplify it. We will use these two now to multiply the terms in the parentheses, and we also use x to multiply the terms in the parentheses. All right, so let's go ahead now. So 2 times AX cubed, we will have 2AX cubed. 2 times S squared, we have 2S squared. 2 times 2x, we have 4x. And 2 times minus 5, we have minus 10. Okay, so x times bx, we have a bx squared. And x times c, we have cx. Okay, what we're going to do next is to add the terms that are similar. Okay, first we consider the terms having x exponent of 3, and we have only one term, which is 2ax cubed. So we write it down now, 2ax cubed. After that, so let's consider the terms that have the exponent of 2, and we have two terms, 2x squared and bx squared. So let us add them together. Okay, now let's consider the terms that have a s exponent of 1, and we have a 4x and cx. So let's add them together. And we add the last term there, which is minus 10. Okay, let us bring down the terms on the left hand side. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to compare the terms on the left hand side with the terms on the right hand side. First, let's consider the terms having a s exponent of 3. Okay, on the left hand side we have 12x cubed is identical to, on the right hand side we have 2ax cubed. Okay, 2ax cubed. Okay, what we're going to do now is we are going to ask ourselves here, what is going to multiply 2 to give us 12? Okay, and that is going to be 6. So we are going to replace this a now with 6, which implies that a is 6. Okay, so we now have 12x cubed is identical to 2 times 6 times s raised to the power of 3. So the value of a now is equal to 6. Okay, now let's consider the terms having a s exponent of 2. On the left hand side we have 7s squared. Okay, it's identical to, on the right hand side we have two terms there, 2s squared plus bs squared. Okay, now we ask ourselves, what is going to be added to 2s squared to give us 7s squared? That is going to be 5s squared. Okay, that means that the value of b is 5. Okay, so we have 2s squared plus 5s squared. We can now say that b is equal to 5. Okay, now let's calculate the value of c. Okay, on the left hand side, the term that has a s exponent of 1 is 3x, and on the right hand side we have two terms there, which are 4x plus cx. Okay, now what are we going to add to 4x to give us 3x? Okay, that is going to be minus 1x, because 4s plus minus 1s is going to give us a 3x. So we have 3x here now is identical to 4x plus minus 1x. So that is going to be now 3x is identical to 4x plus minus will give us minus 1x. So we see now that the value of c is going to be minus 1. Okay, so that is the answer. So thanks once again for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. Thank you.